What's up? It's your boy, Cookie SkMilk, aka the Ashy Gamer, aka the Impulse Buyer, from your favorite podcast and Let's Play show, Fancy Ramen. Today I've got an unboxing of the Cambio RCA 2-in-1 notebook. This is the impulse buy of Black Friday. As you know, it is the season. Got it for $89. I believe it retails for around 120 something normally. So I didn't even know this thing existed until I was at Black Friday shopping with my big bro Dream Killer McGee, and yeah, so kind of saw this in a nice little stack. This one's got its battle scars, as you can see from the Black Friday craziness, but it does run Windows 10. It includes Office, which bloatware. 10-inch display, 32 gigabyte storage, 2 gigs of memory, dual cameras. I hear they're shit. Up to 6 hours, so we'll definitely have to test that. Yeah, it's just got an Atom processor, it looks like. It's got your Wi-Fi. It's got different modes that you can display everything in. Looks like it's optimized for Windows 10 nicely. Pretty big kickstand. Looks like that won't cause me any trouble. Yeah. So let's get to it. This will be the first unboxing, unless my unboxing of Let's Go Pikachu comes up. Turn on your home Wi-Fi network. Yup. Okay, fully charged tablet, you know, the usual. Looks like it uses magnetic hinges. Turns out it did not need the unboxing knife. So just toss that over there. Oh my gosh! How do unboxers make this look so easy? Alright, so onto the device itself. I will say, minimum packaging. I like this. Recyclables. I like this. So yeah, so we've got the actual unit itself. It's a bit heavier than I would like. It's a bit thick. This is a foam padding with the keyboard. Okay, so it looks like they don't have like a fixed point hinge. Keyboard, mouse, tracking pad. The keyboard feels nice. It's a little bit tight, but you know, 89 bucks. So the tablet itself is pretty thick. This is going to be a plastic, nice rubberized foam. We've got your, ooh, also recyclable. Minimum packaging. That's what we need more of. So yeah, so nice review your product. Your quick start guide, which is also very minimum. So you'll notice that I'm going to be a fan of minimum packaging because me and the wife like to recycle all the time. But it looks like it's got all your different ports, keyboards. There's a reset, a micro USB expansion, expandable micro USB. There's a nice little quick start guide. Let's get those out of here. We've got an okay-ish gauge cable. I will check out its ratings real fast. .5 volt, 2 amp. Okay, 50 to 60 hertz. So definitely something we could find on Amazon if we want something a little bulkier, but I don't think we'll need it. This looks kind of proprietary. That makes me nervous. Your obligatory silica gel packet. I used to collect these because I have a lot of electronics. And a nice recyclable foam vacuum that doesn't look like it takes up a lot more space than it actually needs. So 2 points for RCA for that. So let's actually take a look at what we've got here for I/O. Looks like this is going to be the expandable storage. We've got USB 2.0. This is your power reset, a micro USB, the proprietary. Ooh, I hope that's not that. I want to say that's going to be a headphone jack. That's got to be a headphone jack because that is a reset switch. Yep, so this is going to be your headphone jack. If that focuses, there we go. So this is going to be your headphone jack, mini or micro USB, and this is going to be the proprietary power cable. Fits in snugly, doesn't come out. Gotta actually pull it. And mini HDMI. I think I've got a random cable lying around, so I'll have to see how it converts into like 4K or 1080p. Looks like it's got a little bit of damage, but I'm fine with this. Other side's got no I/O. See what this kickstand looks like. So kickstand just kind of stops and snaps into place. So not a lot of viewing angles you can do for this. But, you know, I think I'll be fine with that. Because what is this going to be? It's a little bit of a steep angle. Wish I could do... Oh, no. Yeah. Sitting, this would be too steep. This is a nice angle for the kickstand to be at. Looks like set of speakers here. I'm guessing this is a microphone, one of the 2 cables. And it's a nice little tablet. Runs off Windows 10, so that actually excites me because I was thinking about getting something a little smaller for the D&D campaigns that I'm running. It is magnetic, so it kind of just snaps into place automatically. It looks like it's actually all the way in. Yeah, it looks like it just... Nope, that time it did not go all the way in. But yeah, it looks like it snaps into place nice and easy. It's got a solid, satisfying click. Yeah, so this is the RCO Cambio 2-in-1 notebook/tablet. I will have a review hopefully in the future of what I think of it. So that was the initial unboxing of the RCA 2-in-1 Cambio. I'll say after using it for about a week, it's nice. It's okay. It's paid $89 for it. Can't really complain. The keyboard is where you lost most of the quality and everything. The keys feel nice, but the that flat foam padding isn't quite level. So I'm constantly finding it shifting around ever so slightly, and the trackpad is just the worst. I'm constantly just using the touchpad and then just typing with the keyboard. While in the computer mode, as you disconnect it from that, it asks, hey, do you want to switch over to tablet mode? You could either click yes, click no, or just say never ask me again and automatically switch, or never switch. I like it asking. I've used it in tablet mode maybe like once or twice. It's kind of bulky and heavy. I'll just stick with my iPad for a tablet. But it does work very nicely for running D&D campaigns. And all in all, okay, bye. I'll have a more detailed-ish review probably on the Fancy Ramen podcast. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And yeah, not sure how this channel will
really do. I'll try and put out more content as it goes, so I won't say leave a like, subscribe yet. I'll just say thanks for watching. Hopefully, if you want more content, then I guess subscribe, give me some feedback. I want to make this as good as I possibly can. And I'll say have a great day and think about what you put into the world and hopefully leave it a little brighter than it was yesterday.